I've been asked recently whether having a website is essential to having a successful business. And the answer is no. I remember one of the clients I worked with a few years ago had a panel beating business. He would do well over $5 million a year and didn't have a website. So in his situation, having a website was what an added hassle. He had plenty of work, had plenty of customers, had plenty of leads coming into his business, all via word of mouth and the relationships he's built. But if you're wanting to grow your business, establish your business, take it to another level, I really believe having a website is essential. Yet your website today is not just about marketing and building leads for your business. Your website now is so much and can be so much more than that. Without doubt, having a website builds trust and credibility with your potential customer. It's said that 82% or more than that of potential customers will check out your online presence before making a buying decision. You just think about it. If you've been referred to go and use a particular business, you'll probably jump online, check them out, just to give you peace of mind that there's some credibility there. So firstly and foremost, your website is a trust and credibility tool. A great place to showcase the work that you've done, before and after shots, case studies, testimonials, reviews, all of those things that gives the potential customer evidence that you're going to be a great choice. So that's stock standard. That's, without doubt, the most fundamental use of your website. But I want you to think beyond that now, because we're heading into the digital decade. The platform that you have is also a representative of your business in so many other ways. So you've attracted the leads to your webpage. You can also now use it as a sales qualification tool. You can take people on a journey. You can have a series of questionnaires, links to calendar booking information to make meetings with you. You can automate your sales process to qualify your customers better, disqualify people who are going to waste your time and just be there to shop for price. You can continue to add trust and credibility because it shows you have a sales process. You have a conversion process. People love to be led as long as they have confidence in the leader, and you can lead them on the journey, and that can be done in a number of different ways. Whether you're in the response maintenance type business or the project to construction space, it will obviously vary. But we've got a number of our clients now that we've guided to be able to create their website as a sales qualification / disqualification tool, have questionnaires, inquiry forms that get great detail to help work out how best to solve the problems. People can book meetings with them online. All of this can happen very simply, seamlessly, and particularly if the customer is busy, got lots on their plate, they may be on the website after hours. What a perfect way to do that. The third way, apart from building credibility, using it as a sales tool, is it's a great hiring platform. Without doubt, finding quality people for your business is tougher than ever. In the trading construction space, there's an abundance of work going on and there's a lack of quality employees. You can use your website as a tool to attract and also qualify potential people for your business. Depending on how you're advertising out there, I guarantee A-grade people will want to check out your business. They'll jump on your website. So how about you create a page on your website that says join the team or meet the team? When they go to that page, they can see who's on the team and they can apply for a position if you've got positions going. Part of that application form can have them share a bit about the type of people that you're looking for, mainly attitude, not the skills. Yeah, and then they can apply online. You can point ads if you've got them on Seek or Indeed or other job platforms through your social channels. You can bring them all to your website as well, to that landing page or that particular hiring page. Or again, share your vision, share your core values. Remember, you've got to sell the opportunity. Why would someone who's an A-grade player want to come and work with you? And then give them a little process to work through. Yep. Tell them not to call, but to fill in the application form. And that could be anywhere from 5 questions to 15 questions for you to get a little bit more information about them, for you then to follow up as well. And by the way, if they're not prepared to follow that little process, they're probably not the right person for your business. So Do I need a website? The answer is no. But now moving into that digital decade, in summary, your website is such a great tool to use in so many aspects of your business, you can't afford not to have one. Can you spend too much on a website? Absolutely. And you can also spend too little. And by spending too little on a digital platform, it could potentially cost you business, cost you time, and cost you the ability to hire great people for your business moving forward. Now, if you'd like some contacts on how to create a great website, or you'd like some guidance on what to put on your website, please be in touch with us. Love to support you, and we'll see you again soon.